What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on BABA ticker. And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that potentially we finished all 5 waves on the next wave to the upside. And we have to have a retracement, and to measure the levels where we might land, I pulled the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, and we had these levels. But we hadn't hit even the 0.236 level. Instead of this, we went higher, and on the one hand, it is a very good sign, and I've told you about that. We broke previous resistance, that was the resistance right here, and that was the support couple of months prior of this date. And it is a very good sign because we officially formed higher lows and higher highs. And this means it is a good bullish sign that we might have a trend continuation. So, where I made a mistake with this breakdown, I will show you in my technical analysis, and what should we expect next, I will tell you in a minute. But for now, let's continue with the fundamentals. First of all, I don't want to dive deep into their financials, just a couple of numbers that I want to pay your attention to. Their PE ratio for now is 18.26. And the market cap is $351.90 billion. And this company is still extremely undervalued compared to its size and compared to its free cash flow and all other financial numbers. And that's why you have to pay closer attention to this asset. But as usual, we have some downsides. And we all know that the main downside is that it's a Chinese company and Chinese Communist Party is extremely unpredictable, and that's why we have to be cautious. So let me show you this article that was published on January 11th, and that is titled "Why Alibaba stock popped again today?" And let me quote you this. Shares of Alibaba had jumped 2.5% recently. There's going to come a point in time when Wall Street starts to sound like a broken record when talking about Alibaba. And that time just might be today. Because once again, investors in the Chinese e-commerce giant are being treated to the mixed signals of a Wall Street bank cutting its price target for Alibaba, and at the same time promising monster profits to anyone who buys the stock. And let me quote you in details. Last week alone, First Benchmark Capital cut its target on Alibaba stock to $235 per share. But with the stock trading for $127 at the time, that actually worked out to a prediction that it would nearly double. One day later, JP Morgan cut its price target on Alibaba to $180 per share, nonetheless, predicting that the stock would end the year up 37%. And previously I covered that Charlie Munger basically doubled down his position, and he owns about $72 million in value in shares of this company. And it also was a huge catalyst. And for now, the Citi Group just joined the Alibaba party. Citi argues that Alibaba stock is worth $216 a share. That's down from the bank's previous price target of $234. Once again, though it's way more than the $131 or so that Alibaba stock costs today. Regardless, it argues that the challenging macroeconomic environment Alibaba faces, softening consumer spending in China and the lackluster spending on the recent Singles' Day shopping holiday in particular, don't change the fact that the stock at 17.5 times earnings looks very cheap. And for now, right after this movement to the upside, this company has the PE ratio of 18.26, but still it is extremely undervalued. So, and let's continue with other forecasts for this company from the tip ranks. And we have 24 ratings, 21 of them suggest to buy, 3 to hold, and 0 to sell. And we have the lowest price target at the price point of $27.71, and it is extremely low. It is a new price target. Average price target is $188.65, and the highest price target is $252. And to average price, this stock has a potential of 42.71% of potential profits. So I have to say that still, despite of all the downgrades in the forecasts, this company still has a lot of room to grow. And that's why you have to be cautious, but you have to consider this asset as a potential contender to be in your investment portfolio. So, and let's continue with the list of their institutional owners. We have a lot of mixed filings. Some companies just closed their position, some companies just opened new ones, and other have mixed behavior as well. Some of them added their position by several percent, basically double-digit percents. Some of them reduced for 23, almost 24%. And we have a lot of filings with the mixed behavior. So, this company is still experiencing a lot of bearish pressure, and some analysts see with this price action a lot of opportunities, but some investors want to get rid of their position. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, I marked this movement to the upside and I marked the top of our fifth wave right here. And this means we couldn't have another way to the upside with the shallow retracement, but it happened. And let me show you where I was wrong. Every time when you make this type of breakdown, you have to look a little bit deeper, and on a 15 minutes time frame, we have following breakdown. As you can see, we have this is our first wave, this is our second, third, fourth, and for now we have this fifth wave, but we cannot count 5-wave structure in it. And on a slightly smaller scale, potentially from this bottom, we might have, this is our first wave, extremely shallow second, but it is okay to have this type of retracement. Next one, the top of our third wave might be right here, then fourth and fifth wave at this point. And with this breakdown, we might have the top of our fifth wave right here, and it doesn't violate any Elliott wave theory rules. So let me downgrade the scale. And this means we have to project the retracement from this bottom to this very top. And let me show you that if I pull the Fibonacci retracement from this bottom to this top, we already hit the 0.382 range. And it is $126.9 price point, and we went slightly lower, so we have a double top pattern. And on a slightly greater scale, let me show you that we have something like this. This is our first wave, this is our second, this entire movement is the third one, this is the fourth, and we have to finish another fifth wave. Let me mark it for you. First, second, third, fourth and fifth might be slightly higher, and we have to upgrade this scale. And let me show you where we might land. If we'll take a look on this movement in details, we cannot count again 5-wave structure on it. We have only 3 of them. This potentially might be first one, second, third, fourth retracement, and we might have one more leg to the upside to finish this internal fifth wave, to complete the entire wave. And this means, in this case, we have a potential to hit some higher targets. Probably we might hit even $138.58. And right after that, we will officially form the first initial 5-wave structure as our motive wave, because we have increasing volume during this movement to the upside. And when we will hit the top, we should have a retracement, and this retracement will be extremely huge signal for the majority of investors to add their position, because we officially established higher highs, and if we will have another higher low, it will be a good signal to enter the position to hit higher targets. So far so good. In my opinion, in upcoming days we will see this movement to the upside, then we will have a retracement, and I will do another update where I will project the targets. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!